Good morning, students. This is your English class. Today we will learn chapter 12, use of where. U-S-E, use O-F of W-H-E-R-E, where. Use of where. Where means kahan pe. Okay. So in your previous chapter, what you learn? You learn use of who. Okay. Or use of what also you know. So what means kya? Who means कौन. About any persons, that times we will use who. Now in this chapters where we will learn where. Where means कहाँ पे. Okay. Any place. Okay. Before asking any place. Okay. कुछ भी जगह के नाम आपको पूछने के लिए. Okay. क्या यूज करोगे आप? Where. Where means कहाँ पे. Okay. So now look at here. Look and read questions with where. Okay. Here are some questions and answers. Now we will see how use of where. हम लोग कैसे use करेंगे where का. ठीक है. तो first here W-H-E-R-E, where. I-S is T-H-E, the. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Where is the monkey? Questions is where is the monkey? Means monkey, बंदर no? Yes. So बंदर कहाँ पे है? What is your questions? Where is the monkey? ठीक है. So आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? The, T-H-E, the. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey is. I-S is O-N, on. T-H-E, the. T-R-E-E, tree. The monkey is on the tree. इसमें आंसर क्या बोला जा रहा है? The monkey is on the tree. ये जो बंदर है वो कहाँ पे है? On the tree. On the tree means, on the tree means ऊपर में. क्या हो जाएगा? ऊपर में. On the tree means पेड़ के ऊपर पे है ना? Yes. So this monkey, the monkey is on the tree. ये बंदर कहाँ पे है? पेड़ के ऊपर पे है. Okay. Now next questions here. W-H-E-R-E, where are. A-R-E, are. The, T-H-E, the. B-O-O-K-S, books. Where are the books? Here are you looking this one? Are. Why you use, why here given are? Because this books two, not one. Okay. If here one books, then here we can see is. तब हम लोग क्या देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे is. But here two books no. That's why here are used. Okay, understood? And here also books, not book. S लगा हुआ है, आपको दिख रहा है? Yes. So this one S. So two books, not one books. If one books, then here is and here book only. Understood? So here where are the books? Now questions is where are the books? Books कहाँ पे है? बुक्स और किताबें कहाँ पे है? सो आंसर T-H-E, द. B-O-O-K-S, बुक्स. आर, A-R-E, आर. O-N, on. T-H-E, द. T-A-B-A-B-L-E, टेबल. द बुक्स आर ऑन द टेबल. तो किताबें सारे कहाँ पे है? दो किताब कहाँ पे है? ऑन द टेबल मीन्स, ऑन द टेबल मीन्स टेबल के ऊपर. इफ अंडर द टेबल मीन्स टेबल के नीचे. बट यहाँ पे ऑन द टेबल, तो बुक कहाँ पे है? टेबल के ऊपर है. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. सो ऑन ऑलवेज यूज इन अप. कुछ भी ऊपर में हम लोग कुछ भी बताना चाहे तो दैट टाइम व्हाट वी विल use on. Okay. Now next here W-H-E-R-E, where. I-S is T-H-E, the. C-A-T, cat. Where is the cat? Cat means बिल्ली. So now questions, where is the cat? Cat कहाँ पे है? Questions, cat कहाँ पे है? Okay, बिल्ली कहाँ पे है? So answer the, T-H-E, the. C-A-T, cat. I-S is U-N-D-E-R, under. T-H-E, the. T-A-B-L-E, table. The cat is under the table. Okay. Are you looking this one? Under. What is this? Under. Under means नीचे. Okay. On means I said no already. On means ऊपर में हम लोग कुछ भी बताने के लिए on यूज करेंगे. बट इन डाउन साइड अंडर क्या करेंगे हम लोग? अंडर यूज करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल. कैट किधर है? टेबल के नीचे है. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चंस W-H-E-R-E, where. I-S is T-H-E, the. C-O-W, cow. Where is the cow? Now questions, where is the cow? Now are you looking this cow? Where is? On the tree or under the tree? ये ट्री के ऊपर पे है या ट्री के नीचे है? नीचे है. यस. सो आंसर क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? द, THE, द, COW, cow, IS is UNDER, under the tree, THE, tree. Tree means पेड़ और cow means गया, no? Yes. So the cow is under the tree. Cow किसके नीचे है? Under the tree. Okay, tree के नीचे है. Understood? Okay. Here WHERE, where IS is THE, the MAN, man. Where is the man? Now are you looking? One man here sitting. आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक इंसान बैठा हुआ है. वेयर, कार के, ये जो वैन है वैन के बाहर पे है, ये अंदर पे है. इनसाइड नो, अंदर पे बैठा है. यस. सो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? द, THE, द, MAN, मैन, IS is in, 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 THE, the, VAN, van. The man is in the van. Okay. Now here is it looking. Here look it here. In. What is this? In. So अंदर पे है ना, कार के अंदर पे, इसी के लिए हमने यहाँ पे इन कर दिया. कार के ऊपर पे होता तो वैन, सॉरी वैन के ऊपर पे होता तो ऑन, वैन के नीचे होते दिस मैन, ये आदमी, मैन मीन्स ये इंसान. ओके. सो नीचे होता तो अंडर, बट हियर इनसाइड, कार के अंदर है, तो क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? इन. व्हाट? इन. ओके. So here the man is in the van. Okay, the man is in the van. कार के sorry van के अंदर है this man. Okay, understood? Okay, next here WHERE, where IS is THE, the, DOG, dog. Where is the dog? Now are you looking this dog? Okay, this one dog. Dog means कुत्ता. Okay, so where is the dog? Dog किधर है? ये एक मैट है नो, ये एक मैट है, तो मैट के क्या है? ऊपर है. यस. ओके. सो द, THE, द, डॉग, DOG, डॉग, इज ऑन, ON, ऑन द मैट, THE, द MAT, मैट. सो द डॉग इज ऑन द मैट. ये मैट के ऊपर पे डॉग क्या है? बैठा है, तो इसमें हम लोग ऑन यूज किए. ऑन. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नेक्स्ट WHERE, where IS is THE, the, BOY, boy. Where is the boy? Now are you looking this boy? Where he sits? वो कहाँ पे बैठा है? Where he is sitting? He is. Where is he sit? वो कहाँ पे बैठा है? Where is the boy? So answer the boy, THE, the, BOY, boy. IS is on the bed. The boy is on the bed. Bed किधर है? Boy on the bed. Bed के ऊपर है. So on. Where is the boy? The boy is on the bed. Bed के ऊपर है. Understood? Okay. Next WHERE, where IS is THE, the, KITE, kite. Where is the kite? Kite means पतंग. So where is the kite? Where is the kite? Kite कहाँ पे है? पतंग कहाँ पे है? So answer the, 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 kite, 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 IS is, IN, in, THE, the, SKY, sky. The kite is in the sky. So kite, where is kite? In the sky. Kite sky के बीचों बीच है, अंदर है. Okay, sky में है. So in the sky. Understood? So now once again, hope you understood, student. So now once again we will read. Okay, so please you also read. Okay, first one here, where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Okay, answer, the monkey is on the tree. The monkey is on the tree. Okay, where are the books? Where are the books? So answer, the books are on the table. The books are on the table. Okay, next, where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Okay, where is the cow? Where is the cow? The cow is under the tree. The cow is under the tree. Okay. Where is the man? Where is the man? The man is in the van. The man is in the van. Okay. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is on the mat. The dog is on the mat. Okay. Where is the boy? The boy is on the bed. The boy is on the bed. Okay. Where is the kite? The kite is in the sky. The kite is in the sky. Okay. Now page number 25. Here are some questions. Okay. So now we will solve that questions and we will write answer. Okay. So please look at here. First here, answer the following questions. Here are some questions. Okay. So first questions here. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where are? A-R-E. Are the. T-H-E. The. C-U-P-S. Cups. Cups means you know cups. What we will use? Cup. Cup में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? चाय पीते हैं. Okay. So, where are the cups? Are you looking? Here are 3 cups. How many cups? 3. Okay. So, where are the cups? So, answer. आपको कैसे लिखने पड़ेगा answer? Answer you will write the. Okay. First you have to write the. T-H-E. The cups are on the table. Cups कहाँ पे? On the table. Table के ऊपर है ना? Yes. So, we have to write are on the table. The cups are on the table. क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? The cups are on the table. Understood? Okay, next here. Where is the rabbit? Okay, R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Where is the rabbit? Now looking this, are you looking this rabbit? आप लोग देख रहे हो इस rabbit को? Rabbit means खरगोश. So this rabbit, where he? The rabbit is under the tree. ये tree के नीचे है ना? Yes. So what answer you will write? The. पहले first आपको लिखना पड़ेगा the. The rabbit is under the tree. The rabbit is under the tree. Okay. Next here. Where is the parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot means तोता. Okay. So where is the parrot? Now are you looking this one? One cage. Cage means पिंजरा. Okay. So ये पिंजरे के अंदर है और बाहर है parrot. Inside. अंदर है. Yes. So answer क्या लिखोगे आप लोग? The parrot is in the cage. In the, because this parrot inside. Okay. That's why here you have to write in. Understood? The parrot is in the cage. Okay. Cage के अंदर है. पिंजरे के अंदर है. Understood? Okay. Next here. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Now this cat, where is? On the table or under the table? On the table. Table के ऊपर है. So answer, the cat is on the table. On. Okay. Here you have to write on. Okay. The cat is on the table. Understood? Next here questions. Where are the flowers? Okay. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Okay. So where are the flowers? Okay. So these flowers. Now where are that flowers? On the tree or under the tree? On the tree, because tree के ऊपर है. ऊपर रहने से हम लोग on लिखते हैं. Yes. Okay. So answer, the flowers are on the tree. The flowers are on the tree. Understood? Okay. Next here. Where is the bus? Now where is the bus? Now look at here. Where is the bus? So you can write here this. The bus is on the road. Road के ऊपर में भी आप लोग लिख सकते हो. Otherwise you can write the bus. This symbol is sky symbol. Okay. So the bus is in the sky. आप sky भी लिख सकते. Okay. Sorry. So आप यहाँ पे नहीं. Correct answer you have to write the bus is on the road. Road के ऊपर है तो आप लोग लिखोगे the bus is on the road. Okay. Now next here. Where is the goat? Where is the goat? Now this one. Goat means bakri. Yes. So where is? Under the tree or on the tree? Under the tree. Tree के नीचे है. So the goat is under the tree. Okay. कैसे आपको आंसर होगा? The goat is under the tree. Understood? Okay. Next here. Where is the farmer? Now where is the farmer? द फार्मर इज इन द फील्ड. ओके, फील्ड के अंदर है. Yes, okay. So the farmer is in the field. Understood? Okay. So this answer I will give in your WhatsApp group, so you can write in your English book. Okay. All the fill in the blanks you have to write. Okay. And please students, this chapter 24. Sorry, chapter no, page number 24. You have to read again and again because this is little long, no. So that's why you have to read. Okay, and reading practice. Okay, so thank you.